Pickling some radishes today. So I like to pick these and then put them into a bowl and fill it up with water, kind of swish them around, get the bulk of the dirt taken off. And then I'll cut them up, take the tops off, take the taproot off. So you're left with just the actual radishes. And then I'll rinse those in cold water a handful of times. Make sure you get all the little tiny bits of dirt off. Then those will be packed into a pint jar as tightly as you possibly can. And then for the liquid, I do a mixture of 2 parts vinegar to 1 part distilled water. Then I add in a healthy pinch of non-iodized salt along with 10 or 12 whole peppercorns. And if you have jalapenos or some sort of spicy pepper, it's a good time to throw those in there. And I bring that mixture to a boil, get the salt good and dissolved and incorporated, and then pour the liquid into the jars while it's good and piping hot. And that way they're able to, your jar is able to seal. So these aren't water bath canned. They're only shelf stable. They're not shelf stable. So these will, once they cool, it'll go into the fridge. And then I like to let them sit for about a week